Sweet potato, quinoa and halloumi bowl. Preheat oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with baking paper. Arrange sweet potato in a single layer on the tray. Spray with olive oil spray. Pop in the oven to roast for 45 minutes or until tender. Meanwhile, rinse quinoa under cold water and then drain well. Place the quinoa in a large saucepan with 3 cups of water. Bring to a boil over high heat. Cover the pan, reduce the heat to low and cook for 15 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed. Remove the quinoa from the heat and keep it covered for 10 minutes to steam. Fluff the quinoa with a fork before serving. For the halloumi, heat a large frying pan over medium heat. Spray halloumi slices with olive oil spray. Cook for 2 minutes each side or until golden. Divide the quinoa among serving bowls with the chickpeas. Combine oil and lemon juice and drizzle over the top. Season with salt and pepper. Add rocket, roasted sweet potato and fried halloumi. Cut boiled eggs in half and add to the bowls. To finish, sprinkle with chopped almonds and mint leaves. This quinoa bowl makes a hearty breakfast, lunch or dinner. To get ahead, cook the quinoa and the sweet potato the night before and store in separate airtight containers in the fridge. For the full recipe, see the description below. Love sweet potato? Check out our Southern style sweet potato video here.